Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a Credit Karma login error on an iPhone so you can get back into your account. First, make sure your iPhone has a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, close the Credit Karma app completely and reopen it. Sometimes a simple app refresh can fix temporary login problems. If that doesn't work, check the App Store to see if there's an update available for the Credit Karma app. Installing the latest version can fix bugs that cause login errors. You can also try restarting your iPhone. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on before opening the app again. If you're still having trouble, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down to the Credit Karma app, and make sure it has permission to use cellular data and that background app refresh is enabled. If the error continues, try resetting your password by tapping Forgot Password on the login screen and following the instructions. As a last step, you can delete the Credit Karma app and reinstall it from the App Store, then log in again using your credentials. And that's how you fix a Credit Karma login error on an iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.